You would think that the seasons only change like 4 times a year, but at our house they change about every month and a half to 2 months.
You know, it makes the house look good, so don't complain. You don't mind? You love a little floral in your life, right?
Yes, floral's my jam.
We are going to be doing an IKEA haul today. I went yesterday. I told Zeb I was going to pick up a few things, but then there were some things in the as-is and clearance department that I couldn't live without. So
I like clearance, and as-is is usually cheap, so let's see it.
All right, well, this was not in the as-is. This is the head blomster, and it's got these cute, hold on, let me tuck those in. It's got these cute buttons in the back, which I like. Not that anybody will see them, but I like it because it's double duty. It's got this light gray velvet on one side, and then it's floral on the other side. So if I decide that I don't want the floral, I can just have this side out. So we get twice the looks for one price.
What was that price?
$19.95, including the insert.
Oh, you're telling me like I'm supposed to think that's a good deal.
It was a good deal. If you finish buttoning it, I'll show them what it looks like. Okay, so these are the colors that we're putting in our room. Okay. For our New Year spring refresh. I know it's nowhere near spring, but I'm over winter. So there's that. And then I found these fake lavender plants. If you watched our last room refresh, we did the, what was it? Those little mini pine trees. So in lieu of those, I got these, hold on. This is the Citroncera, and I think it was $5.99, and these were each $9.99, and we're gonna have these on each side of our bed and then on our buffet.
I was gonna say, you got 3. We
got
only
4.
have 2 nightstands. Oh, 4, okay.
So 1 for each side of the buffet and 1 for each nightstand. And I know that you'll like this on your nightstand. It'll make you
I actually don't mind the little metal pot. I like that.
Yeah, kind of industrial farmhouse. I like these. And then next, what else? Oh, we'll talk about the big tree in the room.
I know you've been looking for an olive tree, but is that what this is? It looks more citrusy.
We could hot glue some olives on it.
Yeah.
No,
I have those olives from the thrift store, fine.
It was in the Winter collection, and it was originally $39.95, and I wanted it all winter, but I'm cheap, and now it was half off for $19.99. Don't you feel better about that? So this is gonna go in a crock and probably go either on the front porch or over by my tall mirror. Haven't decided, but $19.99. If you guys have an IKEA, head there quick to see if they still have some of these, because once they're gone, they're gone. All right, this is also from the as-is. This is gonna go on the coffee table. It was $4.90. It was 51% off.
I can get behind that. That's almost thrift store price.
Right? These were, I think, $5.99 each. And they are going in our plant display where we had the little mini pine trees, and we once tried to grow an herb garden.
We did grow it. It grew some stuff.
And it killed some stuff.
It wasn't in enough sunlight.
And then those 3 are going on the top, and then these 4 little ones are going on the bottom. Okay. So they'll stay there until, I don't know, fall.
Until all summer long.
I don't know. I might change out the pink ones. And then I got this big rug here. This big rug might go in the kitchen or the entryway. I want you to guess. Don't look at. I want you to guess the price. How much do you think this cost?
I'm hoping $5.
$5. Look how big this rug is. It's 2 feet 7 inches by 4 foot 11 inches. It's almost 3 by 5. Okay. It was originally $19.99, and I got it for $15.
Okay.
It was only 25% off, but I think it was just because it was unrolled. Like, there's nothing wrong with it.
I like these rugs actually because they seem to resist the stains pretty well because of the tight knit. I don't know.
Well, I'll Scotch guard them for $15 if it lasts a few months. Do you think we should put it in the kitchen or the entryway?
It's nice and low, so I think entryway would be better so that front door is not always scraping it.
Yeah, we'll see. We're always looking for a rug that goes in the entryway, especially in the winter because there's lots of water in there. But our door, the weather stripping you put on there always scrapes everything.
I know, I got the ultra extra weather strip for the bottom.
The ultra extra, I'm sure that's what it's called. Okay, let's get the receipt so we can tell them my final bill here.
Oh.
Under $200.
It's getting to be like Costco runs at the IKEA. You know, we used to get out of Costco for about $100, and then we had kids, and they went up to $200. Now we got lots of kids, and it's like half of what I make goes to Costco.
So I spent $166 after taxes, and it included an IKEA bag that we can use for shipping.
most excited about the bag.
We're going to be showing you guys pictures of how we have all the stuff staged. Our bedroom refresh tour is coming up, so you'll have to wait to see how we put those in our bedroom.
So if you love IKEA as much as we do, be sure to share this video.
Comment below with your favorite IKEA buy ever. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.